Hello everyone, Miss Flowers here. So the girlies are at my house today and we are going to have so much fun. We'll be playing some exciting games. Yes, you heard it right. First, we have the chair dance, a super funny game. Then we'll do a lie detector tests for the girls. So stay tuned because you'll definitely learn more about the girlies. And of course, we can't forget the sack race. So keep on watching and enjoy the fun with us. And a special thanks to my generous subscriber who made this possible. Thank you so much.
Gonna have a video or a day. Yes. Yes, double birthday. Yes. And we are also done with our midterm. Yes, right? So, tomorrow until 30. So it's nice to celebrate their birthday because we already done the first midterm, right? Ano sa niyo pagkawas?
So now we'll be playing the chair dance, right? Are you girls ready?
Yes!
Are you girls ready?
Yes!
Let's go! So by the way, the music is on, so we have to dance. And when the music is turned, yes,
Turn around while dancing.
yes. And when the music stops, of course, we need to stop.
Stop the
Sit the chair. And of course, the one who will not be or who will not sit the chair will be eliminated or out. Are you ready?
Yes!
Alright, let the game. One moment.
Ay, na yun lang nagaway lang.
Panay, ay. Una mo magtatanim. Ano dapat? The game.
Go. Oh.
One.
Ang magbuta.
Go.
Three. Go. Oh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh. DJ Films. Magtanawan mo din tigasan mo. Ay, init na.
Ay, white change! Oh,
Tumbay sa gate.
Seven. One.
Tulog ka ulit. At ako na sa lapon. Wala dapat mo ito.
afternoon. So welcome to my channel. So I'm with the girls. So we'll be playing lie detector tests. So yeah, so I told them to choose their partner, which is their closest friend, no, who knows them better, who knows them more. So we'll be playing lie detector tests, and the girls in front. This is Miss Jessie.
This is Miss Fla. Ay, Village Girl Fla.
Miss Flower.
This is Island Morena girl.
Say hi.
And this is Someday.
Hello, babies.
And the girls at the back.
It's Raquel. And Crystal.
That's me, Titio.
Shang Shang. And Miss Lavi.
All right, so the girls in front will be in the hot seat. So they will be the one to answer the question, and then the girls at the back will judge if they said the if they lied, no? If they lie. And then of course, they will be the one to give a
Thumbs up.
thumbs up if they said they say they yes, if they say the truth, and of course an X mark if they are lying or they lie. So are you girls ready?
Yes.
Are you girls ready?
Yes.
Wow, that's good to hear. All right, question number 1. Dang, 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 dang. All right, question number 1. So let's start first with Miss Jessino.
Okay.
Question number 1. So these questions are actually for
everyone.
yes, for everyone, the girls in front. But let's give the chance or the first mic to Miss Jessie to answer, and then followed by Miss Flo, and like that. So first
Okay.
question. Are you able to keep a secret if somebody tells you some juicy chismes? Can you keep it to yourself?
Yes.
Again. Are you able to keep a secret if somebody tells you some juicy chismes? Can you keep it to yourself?
Yes, of course.
But yun good.
How about you, Village Girl Flo?
Yes, of course. Also, me too. Me too, Mama.
Yes or no, Ramon? You should. Yes or no? Yes.
It's a yes.
All right. Next question.
Watery.
Next question. Please give the mic to. Next question. Have you ever used a translation app just to look fluent in English?
Yes. Yes, I won't deny it. Yes.
Yes, of course.
Yes, me too. It's very yes.
All right.
It depends, man.
All right. Next. No, next question. Have you ever replied, haha, yes, even though you didn't understand what the foreigner said?
Yes.
Have you ever replied, haha, yes, even though you didn't understand what the foreigner said?
I guess no. So, nail ko.
Yes, of course. Sometimes you go. Ikaw. Tarong nga diha.
Me? No?
Hilo mo eh. Pamay-may siya na. Sometimes no, we're just happy. Oh.
Sometimes yes,
There's
sometimes
different
no.
words. Kanang wait up.
Yes, explain.
There's a different words, kanang different kanang something sa different words to the foreigner and different to us, but sometimes, huh? What is that words? I will just laugh. Okay. And I will just laugh like that, di ba?
For me, it's a no because if there's a word na
Go on.
if there's a word that's new to me, that's nang sounds kanang
Unfamiliar.
New?
new kay kanang sa
I'm too lazy to search it in Google and in EI. That's why I'm just saying, oh, okay, I love you.
All right, next question.
Okay, done.
Yes, do you have any explanation? Oh, all right.
I just
Please give the mic to Miss Jessie.
Ano, i-react na ba ito?
Next question.
sa new kay sa kan kay New York ano ba. Muna,
Sometimes
new-
magod sa kana sa chat kay pare ano mga something nga words nga oh it's a familiar kanang unfamiliar to me but we'll say just oh okay I understand, let's proceed.
Next question.
Okay.
How many
Oh, mas-
sponsors do you have?
Sa akin wala.
How many sponsors do you have?
One.
Me kuan first time when I'm starting my channel, I have a lot of sponsors. Yes, I have because I'm new in vlogging. So for me, a lot. But now I can count out from I think 5, 4 like that, but not a lot of money like that.
How about?
For me, I have,
Sometimes.
yeah, sometimes three, but if I counted siya, only one, yeah. Sometimes zero. But I have,
What?
but I have one.
All right.
Oh, bitaw, classmate lang.
So, exchange partners. So, the girls now, we have Raquel, Cristal, Trisha, and Melka will answer the questions. All right, question number 1. Are you able to keep a secret if somebody tells you some juicy chismes? Can you keep it to yourself?
Yes.
That's correct.
Yes.
Absolutely correct.
Yes.
That's correct. Not correct.
Yes.
It's alright.
Question number 2. Have you ever changed your accent when chatting with a foreigner online? Have you ever changed your accent when chatting with a foreigner online?
No.
Eh.
No. Yes.
Oo, iwi kay mo.
Pa-cute, yes na yes.
All right. Question. Question number 3. Have you ever used a translation app just to look fluent in English? Have you ever used a translation app just to look fluent in English?
Of course, yes. Yes na yes.
Correct.
Yes, 100%.
Correct.
99.9%. Yes na yes.
Good job.
All right. Would you be interested in an LDR with a foreigner 25 years older than you? Would you be interested in an LDR with a foreigner 25 years older than you?
Years older than you. So 50-50. Really ang balon.
So, of course, yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Amazing.
Magkano question?
Question again. Would you be interested in an LDR with a foreigner 25 years older than you?
me?
25 years older
Kana
than you.
birthday ka 25 20 ka pin. Imo uyab na 50 ka pin.
Oh,
No.
No. Yes. So, last question. How many sponsors do you have?
Only one.
Last week I have one, but I already end it because but now there's no sponsor.
Chismis.
One?
You have one.
Today, someone give me.
So, how many sponsors do you have?
One.
Hulo.
Hulo!
Kamu na lang tanan diha.
Kamu na lang tanan diro ay. Arita, arita.
Sumandiri ikaw sana mo.
Hoy, backward pa, oy.
Lodi.
Kabato. Okay.
Ikaw na Ros.
So, kono nang kwan?
Sige.
Kono nang chinilas?
Ready? Ros, lodi siya mic day.
Ari, ready! Set! Ready! Set! Go! Ay, balik sa ay! Balik sa ay! Balik sa ay! Balik sa ay! Kiwawan ko! Balik sa kiwawan ko! Uy, kiwag ka kung chinilas! Oh.
Balik. Alis na.
Mag-chinilas mo?
Ako na Vin.
Medyo kasaman to. Lawan na nalain ng kanan. Alright! Again, take 2. Ready! Set! Go! Go! Ah! Go! 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 Ay! Ay! Go! Atin na! Ah! Wala na segundo! I'm scared! Oh my God, I'm scared! I'm scared!
Ay, hello.
Ako yung napapil this grupo na to. Sige! Sige na!
Ay, last na to. Ay, dalaw. Sabi na tong paspas niya siya. Daw nag-push yung shoe lang. Oh.
Uy, naglabad ako.